this video, I will show you how to add your business location on Google Maps. Just watch and follow this video till the end. This is Google Maps, and what you have to do, you have to zoom and find your business location. For example, here is my business location. Just click for 1 second or two, and then you have to click on Add Business to Maps for free. Click on it like this, and it's going to take you to another page here. So you have to add your business name and business category. And once you add it, click on Next. And here you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office. For example, I will click No. For you, click Yes. For example, where do you serve your customer? It's optional. Click Next. And here, what's your region is your business based at? For example, I will just click Ukraine, or I don't know, click Next. And here you have to add your number and click Next. I will add another number, wait. I add a number, click on Next here. Get update about your business, click Yes and click Next. So after that, I will wait. And here you have to add like street address, city, postal code. I just added it here randomly and click Next and or verify later. And here choose like the days that you are working, click skip. And here describe your business. I will skip it for later. And here add your business images or videos, click skip. And add photo of your business, click skip again. And here click on claim your credit or click skip. And that's all, guys. You right now create your location business easy and quick. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.